It's easy to set up and connect the IQ EV Charger too using the Enphase Homeowner app. Commissioning takes less than 3 minutes once installed. Here's how to get started. Existing users can log in to the Enphase Homeowner app using Enphase app credentials. New users can create an Enphase account and follow the verification steps sent via email. From the menu page, click Add Devices, select IQ EV Charger, and add IQ EV Charger. Select the site where the EV charger is installed, or create a new site and enter the site details. Select IQ EV Charger 2. Let's commission the IQ EV Charger in 5 easy steps. Scan the QR code located inside or on the bottom of the IQ EV Charger 2, or manually enter the serial number and verify the charger. As the charger connects via Bluetooth, keep the phone close to the device. Name the charger and set the maximum allowed charging current for the charger. The charging current can be adjusted from 6 amps with the maximum limit determined by the SKU. To complete the setup, connect the charger to internet via cellular, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. If a SIM card is present and activated, the charger will first attempt to connect using cellular. If the SIM is unavailable or fails to connect, it will automatically try to connect via Wi-Fi. For best reliability, we recommend configuring Wi-Fi alongside cellular. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the provisioning process to be complete and for the charger to connect to the Enphase cloud. For charging sites integrated with solar, local green charging can be enabled to prioritize available solar energy for EV charging. To enable local green charging, connect the IQ EV Charger 2 to the IQ Gateway and select Green Charging as the charging mode. From the menu page, open Settings, select the charger, and navigate to the Connectivity page. Tap Connect to IQ Gateway and wait for the charger to establish the connection. And make sure the IQ EV Charger and IQ Gateway are on the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Your charger is set up and ready to use. Once the IQ Gateway is connected, select Green Charging as the charging mode. From the menu page, go to Settings, select the charger, and go to the Charging Modes page. With IQ EV Charger 2 installed, you get more than just a charge. You get smart, seamless energy management right from the Enphase app.